You can see here, just picked up some 12 gauge auto wire, black, red, keep everything separated. A multi-pack of these connectors, some flat blades that will fit up into the compressor here on the bottom. So I think to use some already pre-existing holes, be close to the battery. I want to see if we can't fit one horn here, one horn there. See if we can get the compressor to mount off there. That way we'll have enough air tube to run and we won't have to run wires real far to the battery. When in doubt, zip tie out. Bolts that came with this kit were not long enough to go through the hole. So I zip tied everything up best I could. And I drilled a few holes in this little plastic insert. Ran them through the top here to an on and off toggle. And wire it straight into the battery. We got it all hooked up here. Let's see if she works. It's pretty loud. I'm also standing right on top of it. The box had 119 decibels. So we'll see how well you can hear it when the lawnmower's running. Well, I've decided to clean the wiring up. So I've got the negative and the positive run under this battery box here. And I've got the toggle switch wired up on the dash. And I'm going to run them down and underneath the deck of the mower and zip tie them off and get everything tied back up here. So this is those wires that I ran from the switch, and I just taped them together with some electrical tape to kind of keep everything nice and neat. I'm going under here and just zip tying it up out the way so it doesn't hit the pulleys of the mower deck. Drop my flashlight there. I zip tied this next one to a clip holding a plastic piece on top of the deck, and then I've got a splice in to the wires coming off the battery now. So I'm going to get that done and we'll see where we're at. Well, the wiring looks much better under the battery and under the seat. It's nice and clean. Got a little hairy down here with trying to get the slack out of some of it, but it's all zip tied nice and neat out of the way of the mower deck and comes up to this horn. This toggle on and off switch, I'm not going to try it right now. It's late at night and it's dark outside. I don't want to wake the neighbors up, but I'm happy with how it turned out. A lot cleaner. It's a bunch of wires dangling coming out the cup holder. So that's how to get a horn on a lawnmower. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment. Anything helps.